Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2683rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. In tonight's video, we will discuss what's going on out there, but please remember the risks behind trading. It's a very risky game. Risky. Don't ever trade any markets from crypto to bonds and everything in between without placing your protective stops, all right? Very important. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday night for Trading Thursday. That's 12/21/2023. Video number 2683, of course. Traders, let's get moving. Can you say holiday reversal? The Oscarism known as the holiday reversal comes smashing in on Wednesday. Up. The week of the holiday, you get the reversal look. When the holiday week comes to an end, it should reverse and go much higher. That's what we usually get. That's in your NASDAQ. Look at E-mini S&P. E-mini S&P. Holiday reversals are abound. I mean, look at this. In E-mini S&P, massive holiday reversal. And if you look at your Russell, no different. Look at the Russell 2000. Holiday reversal. Look at the size of that. So, all right, back down. Maybe we'll spend a couple of days going down. Overall, you should get your Santa Claus rally before this month comes to an end. So by the 31st, you should get your Santa rally, your bonus round from Wall Street, however you want to call that. And then there is one market that looks like it wants to go up. And take a look at this one. Your 30-year T-bonds, kids. This sucker looks like it wants to move higher. Just starting to break out of this bull flag in a fantastic channel, working its way all the way up this channel right here. Interest rates are dropping. Traders are buying them like crazy. Bonds look like you could be a buyer of dips for trading on Thursday. Traders, come subscribe right now. Subscribe to the videos. Right below this video, you can click the link, subscribe, notify yourselves, and then come to livewithoscar.com. Grab a free membership. No credit cards are required. I will see you in my live trading room. I'm there right now. But I'm speaking to you, Kat, so one of my cameras are off. There's usually two cameras, one behind me. I'm waving to you right now. And the other would be facing forward so I can speak to you and answer your questions. Absolutely free to you. Come on down to livewithoscar.com and join my free live trading room. All right, traders, that's it for now. Make sure you're paying attention here. We are in the midst of a holiday reversal in the U.S. indices. And 30-year T-bonds and T-notes look pretty darn good. Remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.